Have you ever wondered about the stories behind the apps and services that make our lives easier? The ones that just work. We tap a button, a pro shows up at our door, and our plumbing woes or electrical nightmares disappear. But have you ever stopped to think about the people who built those solutions? The ones who saw a problem and said, "There's got to be a better way"? Today, we're diving deep into one of those stories. We're going to explore the origins of a company that's revolutionized the way home service businesses operate. We're asking who founded Housecall Pro and what sparked the creation of this game-changing platform. Think about it. Before the digital age truly took hold, managing a home service business was a chaotic mess. Paper invoices, appointment books overflowing with scribbled notes, chasing down payments. It was a logistical nightmare. Imagine the stress of running a plumbing company, an HVAC business, or even a simple cleaning service. You're trying to juggle customer calls, schedule appointments, dispatch technicians, and track payments, all while trying to actually do the work. It's a recipe for burnout, missed opportunities, and ultimately, a struggling business. Now, imagine a world where all of that complexity is streamlined into a single, intuitive platform, where scheduling is seamless, communication is instant, and payments are processed with a tap. That's the world Housecall Pro helps create. But how did we get here? How did this vision become a reality? The story begins with a problem. A problem that wasn't just hypothetical, it was deeply personal. Two brothers, Ian and Roland McDonald, were witnessing firsthand the challenges faced by their family's cleaning business. They saw the inefficiencies, the frustrations, and the sheer amount of time wasted on administrative tasks. They understood that these problems weren't unique to their family's business. They were endemic to the entire home services industry. Ian McDonald, in particular, had a background in software development. He saw the potential to leverage technology to solve these pain points. He recognized that mobile technology and cloud-based solutions could transform the way these businesses operated. But it wasn't just about making things more efficient. It was about empowering these hardworking professionals to focus on what they do best, providing quality service to their customers. So, in 2013, Ian, alongside his brother Roland, and their friend Joseph Verdeyen, decided to take action. They embarked on a journey to build a platform that would simplify the lives of home service professionals. They wanted to create a tool that would not only improve efficiency but also enhance the customer experience. Now, let's talk about Joseph Verdeyen. He brought a unique perspective to the table. He understood the importance of design and user experience. He knew that the platform needed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for those who weren't tech-savvy. This focus on user-friendliness became a cornerstone of Housecall Pro's success. The early days were far from easy. They faced the typical startup challenges: limited resources, long hours, and the constant need to iterate and improve. They spent countless hours talking to home service professionals, understanding their needs, and gathering feedback. This customer-centric approach became a defining characteristic of Housecall Pro. They built a platform that offered features like online scheduling, automated appointment reminders, real-time dispatching, mobile invoicing, and integrated payment processing. It was a comprehensive solution that addressed the core challenges faced by these businesses. But it wasn't just about the features, it was about the impact. Housecall Pro wasn't just a software tool. It was a partner. It helped businesses streamline their operations, improve their cash flow, and ultimately, grow their revenue. The platform gained traction quickly. Home service professionals recognized the value of having a centralized system that could manage their entire business. Word of mouth spread, and Housecall Pro's user base grew exponentially. One of the key factors that contributed to their success was their focus on customer support. They understood that providing exceptional support was crucial to building trust and loyalty. They invested in building a team of knowledgeable and responsive support professionals who were dedicated to helping their customers succeed. Another crucial element in their growth was their ability to adapt and innovate. The home services industry is constantly evolving, and Housecall Pro recognized the need to stay ahead of the curve. They continuously added new features and functionalities based on customer feedback and industry trends. They expanded their offerings to include features like marketing automation, customer relationship management, CRM, and advanced reporting and analytics. This allowed businesses to not only manage their day-to-day operations but also to gain insights into their performance and make data-driven decisions. Housecall Pro also recognized the importance of integrating with other tools and platforms. They integrated with popular accounting software, payment gateways, and other business tools, creating a seamless ecosystem for their users. The company's growth attracted the attention of investors. They secured significant funding, which allowed them to accelerate their expansion and invest in further development. This funding was a testament to the company's potential and the value they were providing to their customers. But beyond the numbers and the features, Housecall Pro's success is rooted in the founders' passion for empowering small businesses. They understood the challenges faced by these businesses and were driven by a desire to make a real difference. They built a company culture that emphasized customer success, innovation, and collaboration. They fostered a team of talented and dedicated professionals who were committed to the company's mission. Today, Housecall Pro is a leading platform for home service businesses. It has helped thousands of businesses streamline their operations, improve their customer experience, and achieve their growth goals. The story of Housecall Pro is a testament to the power of innovation and the impact that technology can have on small businesses. It's a story of 3 individuals who saw a problem and had the vision and determination to create a solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.